AI isn't just knocking on the door of the job market anymore, it may already be shrinking entry-level jobs in tech. And if you're a recent grad trying to break into the industry, the numbers are sobering. A new survey from the World Economic Forum shows that 40% of employers plan to cut staff in areas where AI can automate tasks. Meanwhile, data from SignalFire, a VC firm tracking millions of job movements on LinkedIn, found that tech companies hired far fewer new graduates in 2024 compared to 2023. Big tech cut graduate hiring by 25%, while startups reduced it by 11%. That's thousands of opportunities gone. Instead, companies are prioritizing experienced professionals. Big tech increased hiring for those with 2 to 5 years of experience by 27%, and startups boosted mid-level hiring by 14%. Before I go further, make sure you hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment below with your thoughts on how AI is reshaping the job market. So what's happening here? Entry-level jobs are exactly where AI shines. Routine, low-risk tasks like coding, debugging, financial research, and software installation. AI tools can now handle much of the work once done by junior hires. Take the finance world. Gabe Stengel, founder of Rogo, said his AI tool can do nearly all the analysis work he used to perform at Lazard Investment Bank, building reports, checking financials, running diligence. That's the kind of work junior analysts used to cut their teeth on. Even though banks haven't officially slashed analyst hiring due to AI, firms like Goldman Sachs and Morgan Stanley have openly considered shrinking junior teams and lowering pay because the work is now less demanding with AI. This creates a frustrating paradox. Companies want experienced professionals, but graduates can't get experience if no one will hire them. And AI is making that gap wider. Heather Doche at SignalFire put it bluntly: AI won't take your job if you're the one who's best at using it. Her advice to new grads is simple: master AI tools or risk being left behind. If you found this useful, check out the related video in the corner for more insights on how AI is changing the future of work. And don't forget to subscribe for more honest takes on where tech is headed next.